Hello all. So we will go for the second part of the degrees section. Now let us check what is degree. Okay, degree. So we will select what is degree. It's actually the max number of branches or child node for any node. Okay, for example, if I give instance like okay, so this particular diagram has how many child nodes? You can see there are two, right? Okay, so for this, how many child node? 1. For this, 3, and for this is 0. Okay, so from here from this degree concept, I will explain what is binary tree, ternary tree, and what is n-ary tree. Okay, binary tree is when the trees have at most, okay, at most 2 degrees. Okay, ternary is when the degree is at most 3. Okay, what is n-ary then? It should be n. It is like, you get it right, that way. So for example, if I get a question like which tree is it, so I can see that this node has 2 nodes, 2 child nodes. This has 0, this has 2 again, this is 0, and this is 2 again, right? So it actually has what we say, accepted or agreeing to the statement of binary tree. So we can say it is a binary tree. But if I got this has another child node, and you can see like there is 3 child node here, right? So it doesn't come under binary tree. It is ternary tree. Okay, you get it right, this way. Now we will go on knowing what is branch node, what is subtree, what is ancestor, what is descendants, what is path. So for this I will draw our normal tree. Okay, so I will name it for convenience. Okay, so what is branch node? Branch node is just the node, any node which has at least 1 child node. So this is the branch node. Okay, so what is a subtree? I can mention this has the subtree. This is the whole tree, but this has the subtree. Okay, what is the ancestors then? If I am asking the ancestors of D, okay, ancestors of D, so it would be which? C and A. Okay, ancestor of D is C and A. Okay, you are saying like if it will not include this B because it's branched out. See, the father or the parent of D is C and its parent is A, so those are only the ancestors. Get it? So what is descendants then? What is descendants? Descendants of C. Descendants of C, or we say like grandchildren. So it is D, E, F, G and H. The generations ahead. These are the descendants of C. Okay. So it will not include B or anything. It will go downside and it will include all those. It is there. Okay. So what is path? If for example, if I take the example of if I'm taking this example, so here if you are asking me about the B path, so it will be C and A. Okay, so it will be C and A. Okay, so this way, or you can write A, C, D. It should be written this way. Okay, this can't, it should be avoided. You have to write from root node to the desired node. From the root node to the desired node. Okay, you have to go step by step. Like we can go from these desired node, so you can track it down easily. Then you just have to reverse it, so you can write from root node to desired node. Okay. So next we can learn about there is an important formula when you appear for any MCQ or placement questions. Okay, we have placement questions also. The trees are important subject, and in exams also you have these formulas. You have to remember it. Okay, so the formulas are like this: number of edges equals to number of nodes minus 1. Okay, so what means by that? Number of edges, you know what edges means? It's just these lines are the edges. Okay, you can observe that how to know what are the numbers of the edges. So we can just know the number of nodes. So here 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 nodes and minus 1, 4. You can see like, yeah, there is 4 edges. Why is it so? Because every node has a edge around it. See, for this it is this, and this for this. Okay, but for this road it is not there, so we are minusing 1 here. You can just remember like this. Okay, so there is another formula, which is total number of leaf nodes. What is leaf nodes? Leaf nodes are nodes which don't have child nodes. Okay, no child nodes. So these are leaf nodes. So what happens is we can actually know how many number of leaf nodes are there. So here we can see this is the leaf node, this is the leaf node, and this is the leaf node, right? So there are 3 leaf nodes. So how to know without knowing? So it is total number of nodes with 2 child nodes. So which are the child nodes here? I can see one node which has 2 child nodes is this and this one. Okay, so there are 2. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. You get it. Okay, this one. Next is depth, height and level. Okay, depth is, for example, okay, so for here the depth is 0, 1, 2. every root node has depth equals to 0 first. Okay, in level you can take it either has 0 or 1. Level is same, some people do take as 0 1 2, some people do take as 1 2 3. Height and level is same. Okay, so no confusion, just depth, it just starts with 0. Level actually starts with 1, but some people do take with 0. Okay, so next is the formulas. So I will write out these formulas, I will explain it. So we can see maximum number of nodes at given level. See, the maximum level of nodes is, for example, if I'm taking this has a binary tree, right? So what is the maximum number of nodes in this particular first level? If our level start with 0, right? If our level number start with 0, so it's just 2 raised to L, the current L. Okay, 2, it is 1. Here, if the level is 1, so 2 raised to 1 equals to 2. You can see the number of nodes at each level is 1, 2 and 4. Right? This way. And if you are starting with 1, so it is 2 raised to L minus 1. So it is L minus 1. So if it is starting from 1, so it will be 0 here. Okay? Here, maximum node whole of a tree. Now the maximum node whole of a tree in sense, this if I'm starting from 0 1 2, so the maximum level is 2, right? If we are starting from 0, so what is this? 2 raised to 2 plus 1 minus 1, 8 minus 1 equals to 7. So we can see like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, there is maximum nodes are 7. Okay, this is the full binary tree, right? That way. Next is minimum number of nodes. Minimum number of nodes in DT. Now what is this is like, if I'm writing this, right? This is the minimum number of nodes, right? So minimum number is like if I'm taking height here as 0 1 2. So the nodes are the height. If I'm taking 2 plus 1 is just 3. Okay, so there are minimum 3 nodes in this. We can know this by these formulas. Even this is important. Okay, that's it for this video. We will look into next video next time. Thank you.